Let's explore React Developer Tools installation and debugging guide. This essential browser extension is very helpful for React development. React DevTools is a browser extension that provides debugging utilities for React applications. Key features include component tree inspection, props and state debugging, performance profiling, and real-time component updates. React DevTools is available on all major browsers through their extension stores. It supports Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. To install React DevTools in Chrome, follow these steps. First, open the Chrome Web Store. Second, search for React Developer Tools. Third, click the Add to Chrome button. Fourth, confirm the installation in the pop-up dialog. To install React DevTools in Firefox, follow these steps. First, open the Firefox add-ons store. Second, search for React Developer Tools. Third, click the Add to Firefox button. Fourth, allow installation permissions. To verify the installation, open any React website and press F12 to open Developer Tools. You should see new tabs available: Components and Profiler. Let's explore the basic usage of React DevTools. The Components tab allows you to browse the component tree, inspect props and state, edit values in real time, and select elements in the document object model. The Profiler tab allows you to measure performance, analyze render times, track re-renders, and optimize components. You are now ready to debug React applications. Open your React application, launch Developer Tools by pressing F12, and explore the Components and Profiler tabs. React DevTools installation is complete. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.